Hi everyone, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to easily get to Google Classroom and Google Meet from the Google Chrome. So on the kids' computers, I believe it's down here. You'll see it. It looks like this. I'm going to click on mine. Okay. And then Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get to the Google Classroom and how to get from there to Google Meet. So I'm going to start by going to Chrome. On the kids' Chromebooks, in their welcome screen, it should be somewhere right down here. And then, of course, the icon looks like this. So I'm going to double click the icon and open the Google browser. By the way, up here on theirs should be the links to their Splash Math, their Spelling City, and Epic. But in order to do the classroom, I'm going to go here to these dots. I call it the waffle. So I'm going to go to the waffle. Go ahead and click down on it. Once we're in the waffle, the Google Classroom is here, and there's also a link to Meet down here, but it won't automatically go to our meeting. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to the classroom. Because I added your kids to the classroom when I made the classroom, it should let them in right away. It shouldn't require any kind of anything. So I'm a co-teacher in these two classrooms, but I don't think anything else should come up from them. If anything does come up, I'm the green one. Virtual room 213. All right, when we come in here, this right here, if you click right on it, will go to the Google Meet, and I'll come back to that momentarily. So in the Google Classroom, you'll see posts both from Miss Doss and from myself. Remember, I have to sit there in Google Meet from 11 to 1. So anytime during that time, your kid can pop in and get some help, or we can do a mini lesson, whatever you need. So further down here, there are assignments. Anything with a green clipboard is an assignment. Just because they say they were due already doesn't mean you can't do them. So from here, we go right here to the Meet link. And that should bring this up. Not my best hair day, but you would come right over here to join now. You already will have the code up here. So we're going to hit join now. And there'll be a terrible echo because I'm on my phone too. So let's get, ooh baby. Okay, I turned both the microphones off so it won't be so horrible. Okay. So this is what the kids will see on their screen. If you scan over this down here, it is a little frustrating. This is where you make sure what you're sharing. So right now my mic is off to avoid all that feedback, and then this is the camera on and off. If I turn it off, it should just go to a picture of me, and I'm not sure why it's not right now, so I'll have to look into that. But anyway, this is what Google Meet looks like. Ideally, what this would look like is I would be teaching them as though we were in the classroom. It is working really well for my son's class, so I feel like it could definitely work well for us too. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial, and I hope that will get more of you into the Google Classroom, either to do virtual video class or to at least do the assignments. I do think it would be really good for the kids to see each other. Yeah, okay. Remember, every Monday through Friday, I'm sitting here in the Google Classroom. All right. Thanks, guys. The end.